The Monasteries of Meteora, located in Greece, are a truly remarkable and awe-inspiring destination for travelers. Perched atop towering rock formations, these monasteries offer breathtaking views and a glimpse into the rich history and spirituality of the region. With its ability to fly high above the rocky landscape, the drone allows for stunning aerial footage to capture the majesty and beauty of the monastic community of Meteora from above. Meteora is home to 6 active monasteries, each with its own unique charm and architectural beauty. These monasteries have been built on natural sandstone pillars that rise hundreds of meters above the ground, creating a surreal landscape that is unlike anywhere else in the world. Tourism in Meteora has been steadily growing over the years as more and more visitors are captivated by the mystique and beauty of these monasteries. Travelers can explore the monastic life, learn about Byzantine art and history, and soak in the peaceful atmosphere that surrounds the sacred place.